Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll show you how I do fox effect with M curl for this beautiful girl. So first of all, I disinfect her lashes with 90% alcohol, brushing her natural lashes and preparing her lashes for our extension. So I'm switching off my light, separating bottom and upper lashes with tape and patches. She has down-growing lashes, you see, so I think M curl is the best way for making fox effect for this girl. This piece of tape helping me to work with each of her lashes in the outer corner. So I'm using M curl lashes and my Pro-Made Lash fans. If you want to buy this Pro-Made Lash fans, I'll leave link in my description. This is very good lash fans, very good quality. So I'll start working from outer corner, separating lashes. Usually people have not healthy lashes in the outer and inner corner, so I prefer put classic lashes to the first 2 or 3 lashes. M curl lashes, 0.1 thickness, because this girl like dark effect. Gluing one by one. For making fox effect, I glue 75% of lashes C curl and only 25% of them M curl to make eyeliner effect for girls with down growing lashes. It helps to lift outer corner up. We need to extend each of her natural lashes because she wants to have dramatic look. You see, our client has a lot of lashes, but they has different length and different quality. For the most strong lashes, I use 3D or sometimes 4D, but if it's baby lash or not long or not thick lash, I can glue 2D or even 1D. But I'll work with absolutely each of her natural lashes. Okay, we done with the outer part. It's how many M curl lashes you need to extend. Then we will work with the central and inner part. The link which I use for this beautiful girl was 12 M curl. Then I'll use 11, 10, 9 and 8, and to the inner corner I'll put like couple of 7s. Just working with 10s. We need to extend each of her natural lashes, absolutely each of natural lashes. You can even make eyeliner effect, not fox effect, just eyeliner, which will look very, very natural, and it's look like very, very narrow, long eyes. I'll teach this technique on my online course on my Lash Rocket. I'll leave link in my description where you can buy. And now I'm starting to work with inner corner, so I'm putting just couple of 7s to the inner corners, and I'll work with 8s, working with 8s, just filling empty space with 8s, 9s and 10s, and pretty much same quantity of them. Okay, we're done with 8s. Now we glue in 9s. 9 is the most I allow the link 9 in lashes because it look very natural on any of eyes, and I'm gluing C Coral here. So for this extension I use C Coral and M Coral, which helps us lift outer corner and make fox eyes for this client. Almost all of her lashes are extended. This procedure usually takes 2 hours. I make fill every 3 weeks. And my retention usually much more than 50% after 3 weeks. Okay, checking if we have any available lashes. Okay, now we're done. We can remove patches from her cheeks. She's very happy because our procedure is done, and brushing her lashes because we need to make sure that they glued good. Okay, everything is good. So do you see result? She look really beautiful, and our beautiful lashes. Thank you for watching this video.